Hey guys, today I'm going to make a breakfast sandwich in the air fryer. This air fryer came with a rack, so I'm going to use this rack for this. I'm going to take the crisper tray out of the bottom there. I'll put this rack in there, and then I have an English muffin here, so I'll open that up and put it in the back right there. And then I have a 3.5-inch cast iron skillet here that I use for cooking eggs sometimes. I've used this in my toaster oven before, so I put a little bit of oil in the bottom of that, and I already cracked the egg and put it in there. So we'll put that there, and then I've got some Canadian bacon here. So it's not very thick, so I'll put 2 slices of that in there as well, and we'll close this up. I'm going to use the air fry setting, and I'm going to turn it down to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'll just start that. It's set for 20 minutes, but I'm just going to keep an eye on it. The Canadian bacon is already cooked, so I just have to keep an eye on the egg and the English muffin. So this will preheat for 5 or 6 minutes before the actual cooking starts. So like I said, I'm just going to keep an eye on it. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes of cooking time plus the preheat time, so let's take a look here. Okay. Well, the English muffin looks about right, and I think the egg looks pretty good as well, so I think that's good. The English muffin toasted nicely. I had a homegrown tomato, so I put that on top along with a little bit of mayonnaise. Now we'll see if the egg comes out of the pan okay. Oh yeah, come out pretty good. Hopefully it's a little bit, oh, it's a little bit runny, kind of squirted out of there. Alright. Now we got that, and we'll put my my Canadian bacon on top there. Okay, and we'll put this on top. You could probably use some cheese too if you wanted, but I just decided to use the mayonnaise and tomato on top since I had homegrown tomato. Alright, that looks pretty good. Alright, let's try this Canadian bacon, egg, and tomato sandwich out. Homegrown tomato always makes everything taste better. If you like tomatoes, that is. Anyway, I like it. Want a piece of Canadian bacon, Annie? Here you go. There you go. I guess you like that. That worked out real good. I think the preheat time is 5 or 6 minutes. And then let it cook for 2, so about 7 or 8 minutes total. If you did that all the time, you could probably, like, if you got the timing down, you could probably just set the timer and forget about it. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.